Do you ever wonder what your Toyota is truly capable of? Not the features everyone already knows, but the silent upgrades, hidden modes, and secret tools built right into your car that even lifelong Toyota owners never discover. Today, I'm unlocking the most powerful ones. Not the basic tips floating around the internet, but the stuff Toyota engineers quietly buried inside the system to make driving smoother, safer, cheaper, and honestly, a whole lot cooler. And here's the deal. If you stay till the end, you'll learn a trick Toyota design that can keep your battery alive for years, even if your car sits untouched. Most dealerships don't even know about it. Let's get started. Ever park your Toyota and wish you could see the curb clearly without sticking your head out the window? Your car already has the solution. When you shift into reverse, your mirrors can automatically tilt down to give you a perfect view of the curb and your parking lines. But here's the part nobody tells you. You can train them. Put the car in reverse right now, adjust both side mirrors exactly where you want them, and your Toyota permanently memorizes that angle. Next time you back in, the mirrors drop into your custom parking position and snap back when you shift into drive. No setups, no buttons, just clean, perfect parking every time. Now, let's talk about air, because Toyota quietly built a cabin refresh mode that most owners use every day without realizing its hidden potential. Everyone knows the recirculation button, but if you hold it for a few seconds when you start the car, many Toyotas activate an enhanced filter cycle that blasts air through the cabin filter, flushing dusty or stale air out much faster. Pair this with a charcoal filter, and you'll feel the difference the moment you step inside, especially after your car's been cooking in the sun. Next, a feature that has saved countless drivers late at night in the rain, the push start emergency trick. If your key fob battery ever dies, most people panic, but Toyota built a backup system right into the start button. Press the dead fob directly against the button while holding the brake, and your car will recognize it through short-range radio. Engine starts. No battery, no tow truck, no drama. It's pure Toyota-level planning. And if you're getting value so far, you already know what to do. A like and subscribe helps me keep creating real, honest car videos that save you money and headaches. Now, here's something that no competitor video explains right. Toyota Safety Connect isn't just a fancy feature. It's a lifeline. The little SOS button near your mirror connects you directly to a trained agent who sees your exact GPS location. But the real magic happens in a collision. Even if you can't speak, your Toyota automatically sends an emergency alert with crash details, and a live agent responds through your speakers while dispatching help. If your car is ever stolen, Toyota works directly with law enforcement to track it down. This isn't a gimmick. It's the kind of thing you never want to use, but you're so grateful it's there when life gets real. While we're on safety, let me unlock another truth Toyota owners rarely hear. Your Toyota Sense system, lane tracing, radar cruise, collision prevention, all relies on two tiny sensors, one behind the front emblem and one behind your windshield camera. If either gets smudged, foggy, or covered in dirt, these life-saving features silently deactivate. A simple wipe of the front badge and a clean windshield might literally prevent an accident. Toyota built advanced tech, but it needs an equally simple routine to stay sharp. Now, if parking stresses you out, this next one will feel like magic. Many Toyotas have a hidden 360-degree bird's eye view mode, but if you double-tap the view button while parking, the display zooms into your wheels, showing exactly how close you are to curbs. You can also activate automatic parking assist from the infotainment settings. Turn it on, and your Toyota will steer itself into parallel or reverse spots with millimeter precision while you control the pedals. No noise, no scraping, no heart attacks when the space is tight. Let's take it one level deeper. Your Toyota has a secret diagnostic system built directly into the climate control. No scan tool, no apps. With the ignition on, but engine off, hold auto and recirc at the same time, then rotate the fan knob once. Instantly, the panel runs a diagnostic test and displays hidden system codes. If you ever wondered what's wrong with your AC, this tells you before a mechanic does. Now, here's a tiny feature that saves huge frustration. Wiper service mode. Your modern Toyota tucks the wipers low under the hood, which makes cleaning or replacing them almost impossible. But Toyota hid a solution. After turning the car off, push the wiper stalk down within 30 seconds. The wipers rise and stop mid-windshield, giving you full access. No broken clips, no bending wiper arms. Tap the stalk again to return to normal. Let's move into something far more powerful, the Toyota app. Think of it as a remote command center for your car. Lock, unlock, remote start, fuel notifications, maintenance reminders. But the underrated part is driver scoring, geofencing, and journey history. You can track how smooth you drive, monitor family members or employees, see every route the car has taken, and even set speed limits. It turns your Toyota into a smart device on wheels, and most owners don't even scratch the surface. And speaking of smart driving, Toyota once included a playful but brilliant feature, glass of water mode. Imagine an invisible cup on your dashboard. If you brake too hard, corner too fast, or accelerate aggressively, you spill water. The system scores you on smoothness, teaching you to drive more efficiently without feeling lectured. Even though it's rare today, the lesson remains legendary. Smooth driving saves fuel and extends the life of your entire car. And now we've reached the feature that can genuinely save you hundreds of dollars and extend your battery life dramatically. Toyota's hidden battery saver mode. If you're leaving the car parked for days or weeks, your keyless sensors and background electronics slowly drain the battery. But there's a secret key fob sequence many Toyota technicians don't even know about. Press lock once, unlock, then lock again within 5 seconds. Some models flash or beep to confirm. When activated, your Toyota shuts down non-essential electronics and reduces keyless signal scanning. This alone can keep your battery alive for months, even years, with minimal use. It's the kind of feature Toyota never advertises, but loyal owners swear by. If you found this video helpful, the next one you should watch is the one where I reveal the exact maintenance schedule Toyota owners follow to make their cars last 300,000 miles and beyond. It will save you money, protect your engine, and keep your Toyota running like new. Let's keep your car legendary.